This 2025 Winnebago Revel Sport 44N is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, skylight, refrigerator, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Revel Sport 44N is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.